legal gambling. What are the types of illegal gambling? What is the difference between gambling and investors? Ms. Russell Manyas, do you have any idea what is illegal gambling? Okay. Illegal gambling is the wagering of the money or something of material value. It is referred to a stock on an event on a certain outcome with the primary intent of additional winning of money or material goods. Giving is referred to an instance which the activity has specialized permitted by the law. Gambling is also international activity which with the legal gambling market with a total estimate of 335 billion in 2009. What are the types of illegal gambling? 1. Casino game. 2. Table game. 3. Electronic games, which include slot machines, video poker. The non-casino games, which games that take place outside a casino, which include bingo,
First two, waiting.
default, lottery, full-time games, scratch cards, and also mahjong. And the other non-casino games include card games, carnival, coin tossing games, and many others. Many return choices are sometimes referred legally as gambling. 1. Emotional or physical risk taking where the return is not quantifiable. 2. Insurance is a method of shifting risk from one party to another insurer. Use actuarial method to calculate appropriate premium, which is similar to calculating gambling odds. 3. Situations where possible return is a secondary method for the wager or purchase. Investment is not considered as a gambling when they follow the following criteria. 1. Utility economics. 2. Positive expected return. 3. Underlying value independent risk using risk being undertaken. Gambling is 100% risk on weighing odds, while investment is assured, usually significantly less than 100% on the odds. The long-term odds for gambling are the house's favor, and the long-term odds on stocks are in investors' favor. That doesn't mean gamblers don't win or investors do win. It means the odds favor a particular side in the exchange and probability are well known for most good gamblers and investors. Based on the study shows that many people is gambling as a form of recreation or even as means to gain income. Gambling like any behavior which involves variation in brain chemistry can become a psychological addictive and harmful behavior in the future. Here in the Philippines, based on the penalty code 195 to 199, a person who commits or violating gambling it has penalty of imprisonment and a fine ranging from 1,000 to 6,000 for first offense and 6,000 to 6,000 above for second or third offense. Lastly, instead of wasting our time in playing illegal gambling, we must focus or give our time to our families so that we can guide them for what is good or what is bad. Thank you and good morning.